Welcome everyone. Good to have you here. My name is Magnus Melander. I'm a co-founder of Things, who organize these kind of events. So I'll tell you the story. Things is about 7 years old. It's self-funded and it's a deep tech hub focusing on industry, infrastructure, utilities, and mobility. We have a building in Stockholm, but we work today fully globally. So we have about 100 members. 50% basically is high-tech companies within our domains, and the other 50% is corporates from Tokyo to Silicon Valley. And I'm glad to say that we actually have people almost from all parts of the world today with us. We have 10 countries represented today in the audience. We have about 20 companies that we work with as partners around the globe, primarily to provide high quality cross-border services to our members. And the type of services we provide is typically advice, matchmaking, workshops, innovation challenges, acceleration programs. And with those, we mean rather corporate acceleration programs with startups instead of startup acceleration programs, because our starting point is always corporates. And we believe the only way to start a successful company today is by working with a customer from day one. So that's the foundation of Things, which means that we are a quite popular, let's say, partner to incubators and accelerators, because we don't do that. We help those people scale out from the incubating region where they are typically are based. We focus purely on business. We are only here to try to enable long-standing, lasting, sustainable business relationships between corporates and tech companies in our domain. And so having said that, we are not really happy in POCs and stuff like that, because we think they are normally not leading to any real business. We also members of, from Sweden, we are members of the Deep Tech Alliance, which is a nice collaboration in Europe between today 8 different countries. Companies like ours, and we try to help accelerate deep tech companies across Europe, which is needed because Europe is, as you know, lovely fragmented. We all love that, but not in when it comes to accelerating companies, really. We invented eBazaar just when COVID happened in order to try to help our corporate-ready tech companies, because all corporates basically closed the door and throw away the keys. So we decided to do something to help them fill up the funnel rather than closing any deals. So that's the purpose of eBazaar. And we have done almost 20 now. It's proven to be a quite good concept. We have up to 6 companies we select to present behind every topic that we choose. And they have a very short time. They have 8 minutes sharp. And we have time for a couple of questions. You can use the chat if you want to place any questions. And after that, after we're done with all of it, if we have time left, which we're going to have today, by the way, we normally also have time for some questions, a little bit of discussions, if you like. So today it's all about smart cities, and I guess that's something you all have a relationship to. I actually, every time I'm asked to have presentations or talks about smart cities, I actually always talk about good cities. I think that's a much better approach, because that's an inclusive way of talking to people who actually live in cities. They don't really understand what a smart city is. But this is a great and very, very important area for technology to help become more efficient, to help with sustainability, to help with security and safety and all of those things. So I think it's a great topic. And today we have 4, since the Italian guy got sick, unfortunately, we have 4 companies to present. And I'm sure it's going to be really, really interesting, because as I said, it's really a strong lineup of speakers.